welcome back to my video. Tony's phone collection. Today I'm doing an unboxing of a Motorola RM193. Actually, that's a Nokia device, my bad. Picked this one up on eBay for a really good deal. I think it was on Metro PCS if I remember right. Oh, it's one of these stupid envelopes. So I'm going to do it this way. Just pull the stand out because I really don't want to deal with this mess. Picked it up, I think it was like 10 bucks or something. So we'll see what we end up getting. It was on test if I remember right. There we go. It did come from Usell to us, which I said I bought a lot of phones from them, or I did for a while. Kind of do still, just not as much as I used to. I've been really looking for cell phone lots, basically. So I have one of these that's pretty close to what this one looks like, except for mine is on Altel. I think the one I have, I can't remember the model number exactly of the Altel one that I have, but it looks pretty close. This doesn't look to have a SIM card slot, just nothing soldered in there. It is a CDMA device. It's got some stickers and stuff on here. Looks like it's in pretty poor shape. But I'm wondering if this keypad, this little trackball that mine's missing, will fit in mine. So that's the reason I bought this phone. Let me see if I can grab mine real quick so I can find it. Okay, here's the one I have. It is a Nokia 2865i. But I can tell they look pretty identical for the most part. I can see my trackball on mine, or track theme jigger, is missing completely. So hopefully this one would work. Let's see if this thing even turns on. It does, indeed. So here it goes. So yeah, seems to work just fine. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.